What up guys, how you guys doing? I'm Talis and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're gonna be checking out a awesome day-to-day accessory. So let's go to the video. So this is the cat back scratcher. As you can see, this is a really nice model, and in this video we're going to be checking out the best print settings to print it. So first off, right here got the handle and the extensor right here. This is the part that you can attach this little knobs that will give a really nice scratch on the back. This is a really nice model. So let's take a look at the best print settings to print it. So first off, right here in layer height, we're going to be printing this model at 0.2 millimeters. This way, by not changing any of these values, we're going to get a good balance between time of print and quality. As you can see, this model is quite tall. So if we print at 0.2 millimeters, we're not going to be able to see those fine layers of print. So that is fantastic. Right here on vertical shelves, we're going to be leaving at 3. This way, we're going to get a really rigid model so it does not break. As for infill, we can be increasing to 10% infill pattern with a gyroid infill pattern, actually a 10% infill density. This way, we're going to get a really dense model so it's not going to break while we're scratching our back. As for skirt and brim, let's analyze if this model really needs brim. So brim is a really nice feature to increase the surface of contact to the build plate. As you can see, all of these models got a solid surface of contact to the build plate proportional to the size of the model. As this models right here, they do not have the best surface of contact to the build plate. So we're going to be adding some brim. So to add brim to just this models right here, there is a technique. If you add brim right here, it's going to add to all of the models in the build plate. To add brim to just this models, what we can do is just right click right here. So we can select add settings, skirt and brim. Brim type, brim width. This way, we're going to be adding a outer and inner brim of 5 millimeters to this model. This way, as you can see, skirt and brim right here. This way, we're going to get a really nice brim. That's going to help a lot hold our model down to the build plate. Other tips on how to get a good bed adhesion is to always clean your build plates really well. Make sure that your printer is really well leveled, and if you want and if you can, use external adhesion such as glue stick. To add to this models right here, instead of clicking, going, everything again, we can just select skirt and brim, Ctrl C or Command C, Ctrl V. This way it adds the same skirt and brim as the model we have selected. This way we have added skirt and brim to these 3 models really fast. So that's enough. Let's go back to the print settings. Right here on support material, we do not need any support material because this model is optimized for printing. Going to the speed, feel free to print this model with your standard print speed, especially for Bambu Lab printers. If you're going to change any of these values, always to lower values. Feel free to print with a profile, but reduce the value of the speed. It's better to print slow one time than try to print really fast and then failing multiple times. So print really slowly. It's better to get a good cooling and a good quality print. Right here on first layer, I have reduced from 30 millimeters to 20 millimeters a second. This is going to help a lot with our models. Because the first layer is the most important layer. All of the other layers are going to go on top of this one. So guarantee a really slow first layer print. So that is fantastic. Now we are ready to slice. So as you can see, we have sliced and it added some custom brim right here to the models that we have set. All of the layers are being printed out really nicely. This is a inner and outer brim. That is fantastic. All of the layers look quite nice. This is a really nice model because it is multi-part, so this way you can be printing in different colors to get a really nice end result on a monocolor printer. So that is fantastic. As you can see, we can go over to speed. You'll see that it reduces a little bit of the speed, some small perimeters. That is fantastic. So print this model, afterwards just assemble. It is quite easy. So enjoy a lot this model. So the model is ready to print. Make sure to check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STL Flix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.